The river is important for people and for the creatures living in the river. If you throw litter in the river, since the river flows to the ocean, the trash will get to the ocean and the animals in the ocean will end up eating the trash thinking it's food.
Living in the ocean and the river are not clean. The animals that are living in the ocean.
We have to stop polluting.
Yes.
We have to change our world. Get a better place. Be better. We must make it different.
Okay, everyone, before we start, I want us to spend time reflecting on what is a river and what is the ocean.
They both water.
They both water.
Okay, does anybody know the names of our two ocean currents? Atlantic and the Indian.
The river got its water from the which got its water from the ocean. Yes, so it's all connected and it all ends up in us. So we're here today to do science and to find out how healthy this river is.
We're using this system called mini SAS. We're going to be getting into the water. We can't just use our eyes. We're going to be trying to trap any animals that live in this river. And we're going to use those animals to try to come up with a score for how healthy or how clean is this river. When we get to a plant, rock, or to the sand, we're going to shake around and make a big disturbance there. All the animals that are in that area, they're going to fall into the net. So we're going to come out of the river, put it into our tray, and then we'll go back in and we'll find a new habitat that we want to try to get animals from. So in order to help us to identify them,
We use something called a dichotomous key.
does it have legs or no legs?
No legs.
Okay. We now need to give the river a score. Group number 1. What was the first group of animals that you guys have?
Bugs or beetles.
And the mayflies.
What's the diversity?
What type of condition is this?
Fair condition.
A fair condition, which is pretty good.
So we're going to go out in our teams. We're going to have one of these quadrats. We're going to randomly place it in one of the areas. So you're not looking at what animals are down there, okay? You can kind of guess how many animals are in the whole ocean just based on these quadrats.
Welcome to the sea.
So now you're going to stand backwards like that and you're going to place your quadrat down. 2 people can hold onto the quadrat and then the rest of you guys can count and identify which animals there are. There's an animal there. Okay, so there's a lot more than meets the eye.
You were lucky to get a starfish, eh?
I've seen them. It's my first time touching it.
So you know that it's an animal, it's moving. It's crazy that that's...
Thank you for helping us collect data for this piece.
So what do we think this is?
Wetlands.
It's a wetland, yes. And where do you think this water from this wetland comes from?
From the river.
From the river.
Where we were just now?
Yes.
It's the same water. And then where does it go?
The ocean.
So the idea of river to sea, it's not just hypothetical, it's not just an idea. It actually happens and we can see it in Cape Town.
Ndenzile namhlanje kwi-river inafuna ngendlela indinabona ngayo uba okay zikhona into eziphilayo ufuna about river. What's different about the river and the sea?
Today, I did what scientists do. I met different types of animals, collected data, discovered how clean the river is and what kind of animals we find in the river.